When Marvel released Endgame in 2019, it brought an end to some of Earth's mightiest heroes and served as a finale to the first few phases of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, aka the Infinity Saga. But the MCU is continuing. As hard as it might be to imagine an MCU without the superheroes we have come to love over the past decade of 20 plus blockbusters, it's comforting to know the universe is not done. That leads to the question, what's next? While Marvel is releasing an avalanche of new series and films, the studio has revealed a roadmap of 23 series or films it's planning to release over the next few years. For reference, there have been 23 movies since the MCU began in 2008. Here, then, is everything you need to know about what's next for the MCU. We have also included details about adjunct films, such as the upcoming Morbius film that's part of Sony's Spider-Man universe. Confirmed every new Marvel movie and show definitely coming. So guys, if you do not need any spoilers, you can leave this video. So let's start our video on Spider-Man No Way Home. This film will release at 17th of December 2021. The third Tom Holland Spider-Man film is shaping up to be a doozy. Doctor Strange, played by Benedict Cumberbatch, is back, as is perhaps more exciting the news. Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield may reprise their own versions of Peter Parker, setting up a potential live-action version of the hit animated film Into the Spider-Verse. We also know from the trailer that villains from previous Spider-Man films will appear. The trailer has given us Alfred Molina's Otto Octavius, hinted at Willem Dafoe's Green Goblin, while rumors suggest we'll get to see Jamie Foxx's Electro 2, Miss Marvel TV series, which will release on summer 2022 on Disney+. The next Disney Plus series after Hawkeye will be Miss Marvel, and the character will be portrayed by Iman Vellani. Miss Marvel's real name is Kamala Khan, and the character debuted in 2013 as a Muslim Pakistani American from New Jersey. The first appeared in the comics and has become one of the largest successes for Marvel Comics in the short time since her inception. It was announced that the series will debut in summer 2022. Even better news, though, is that Marvel has already announced that Vellani's Kamala Khan will appear in the Captain Marvel sequel, The Marvels. Then comes Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, which will release on 6th May 2022. The sequel for Benedict Cumberbatch's Dr. Stephen Strange was confirmed at San Diego Comic-Con 2019, with the surprise that Elizabeth Olsen's Wanda Maximoff will aid Doctor Strange. The plot for the upcoming film is rumored to center around something happening in the Marvel Universe, perhaps started by Loki in his new series, which will lead to alternate universes merging in destructive ways, and Doctor Strange will presumably have to fix the situation. Interestingly, Marvel cynically changed the WandaVision post-credit scenes recently. The change adds a translucent figure that appears to be floating down towards the cabin where Wanda is practicing magic. The inclusion of Doctor Strange's theme is a good sign. It is in fact the Sorcerer Supreme heading down to talk the Scarlet Witch. Interestingly, this change was made around the same time that an episode of Loki premiered, showing the timeline being bombed by a Loki variant. Could that be the event that leads to the Multiverse of Madness? Curious, right? And now comes Thor Love and Thunder, which will release on 8th July 2022. Chris Hemsworth is slated to return as the God of the Thunder for the fourth Thor film, but this time he won't be the only Thor. He'll be sharing Mjolnir with his former love interest, Jane Foster, played by Natalie Portman. After the success of Thor Ragnarok, Taika Waititi will return to direct, and Tessa Thompson is also returning as Valkyrie, the Queen of Asgard. Russell Crowe will also make his debut as the MCU's version of Zeus. Christian Bale is set to star as the villain, God the God Butcher, an alien man who lost his family and finds a terrible weapon that he uses to take vengeance out on all the gods in the universe. There's also new rumors that Henry Cavill may make his MCU debut in this film after starring as Superman in the DCEU films. And now comes Black Panther Wakanda Forever, which will release at 11th November 2022. The original Black Panther is the highest grossing solo film in the MCU, with only the Avengers films topping it. The highly anticipated sequel is expected to dive into the wider world of Wakanda, as Marvel announced it won't recast Chadwick Boseman's character following his tragic death. The new title Wakanda Forever points toward there being a wider focus on the country. There's also been speculation as to who could be the new leader of Wakanda, with Letitia Wright's Shuri rumored to be the next Black Panther. Now comes Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special. This movie will release on December 2022 on Disney+. The Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special was announced back at Disney's Investor Day in 2020. James Gunn will direct the Disney Plus special that will see the main cast of both Guardians films return, including Chris Pratt as Peter Quill and Dave Bautista as Drax. Gunn, who wrote and directed all the Guardians of the Galaxy films, has said he was inspired by the 1978 Star Wars Holiday Special. So guys, this was today's video. We'll discuss other movies of Marvel in the next video. So subscribe our channel to be notified and to know all about the Marvel's upcoming movies and web series. So stay tuned and subscribe our channel please.